I finally figured out how to ramp up using AI for my business. I was just using it for the basics until I came across ChatGPT Use Cases for Work. CommBank has actually partnered with OpenAI to help small businesses like mine get started. First, I clicked on this tab. Then I told it that I own a confectionery brand and asked how ChatGPT could help maximize my time. It gave me some great ideas for my marketing and operations and even suggested detailed sample prompts to try. For social media, it suggested plan 4 varied Instagram posts for my business that include captions, image suggestions, hashtags, and music. That was my aha moment. It showed me the level of detail I need to go into with my prompts and what AI can do. This has completely changed how I think about ChatGPT, not just as a tool, but as something I can genuinely use in my day-to-day work. Now, instead of wondering where to start, I have a whole list of ways to try it out.
To keep learning and growing, search CommBank Business Masterclass.